Welcome to Techno Silent YouTube channel. So kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For more informations, you have to visit www.researchhelp.net. It is my website. You can get more information about my technical videos. Okay. So in this session, we are going to discuss about installation of Contiki 3.0 in Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. So what are the requirements we need means, so we need a Ubuntu 16.4 systems I am using in my system, and version we are going to install Contiki 3.0. Okay, so how we are installing means, so first you have to open the browser. Go to browser and type Google. So just connect to your internet. Then type Contiki OS. So this is the link for your Contiki OS, Contiki operating system, contikios.org. It is an open source operating system. For it will be mostly used for Internet of Things applications. So even we are using for low memory operations, and also it will be useful for low power wireless environment. We are using Contiki operating system. Even for RAM will be it is 20 KB. Although we can use the Contiki operating systems. So just go to the first link. So we have three options. So just go to historical Contiki Git repository. So this is our Contiki operating system GitHub repository. So in that repository, so in that branch we have a Contiki 2.7 and 3 and 3.1 we have, and a master. So mostly we are preferring master because it is updated one. So we want to download that updated master versions. So just click clone or download buttons. Just copy the link by clicking this button, or you can download as a zip file. Okay, better for Linux you can clone by using this link. So that is a very useful, and also you can update subfolders, each and every subfolder, by using git submodule update command. Okay, so for that purpose you have to copy this link. Okay, so first copy this link, then open terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. So just so after opening the terminal, so just give the command sudo apt update. So give your password. So now our system files will be updated. Then next you need to install some prerequisites for installing Contiki 3.0 or Contiki OS. So whatever it may be. So just this is the step 1, prerequisites installations. So just copy this command and paste it in your terminal, then give enter. So I already installed all the packages. So if you want to install, you can install by this way. Okay, so I already installed, so all those things. If you want, you can try. Then next we need to download the Contiki OS. So just copy this link again. Then you have to use git command. Okay, so this is our second step: download or clone Contiki 3.0 or Contiki OS. So just copy and paste. Give enter. Now the cloning process will be started. So totally we have a 1,04,81 objects are available. Now we are receiving objects. So it depends on your internet connections. So it will take some time. So I think it will take some more time. So I will pause this video. So after completion of the downloading, so I will come back. Okay. So now the total file will be downloaded in your system. So around it is 71.63 MB. Okay. So now you need to update your subfolders. So just you have to give the command. So just go to Contiki. So ls. So we have a file Contiki. Okay. So just go to Contiki. Okay. So just you need to update each and every folders. Okay. So it is a very important step. So just copy this command. This is a third step. Paste. Git submodule update -- initiate, then -- recursive. Okay. So just give enter. So now all the subfolders updated automatically. So now the subfolder updation process will be completed. So I can give ls. So we have a tools folder, then go to tools folder. So next we need to run the Contiki operating systems. So I just give cd tools, then ls. Next we need to go for Puja. So there is an inbuilt simulator we are using in for simulations. Okay, cd go to Puja. So it is a Java based simulator. So already we are installed Java in the prerequisites itself. That is OpenJDK and OpenJDK 8 and JRE. Okay. already we are installed. Then clear. So next we are in the folder Contiki Tools Kuja. So next we need to run. So run means just give ant run and run. Okay. So first time it will take some time. It will compile all the source files. So these were Kuja simulator. So now we are successfully installed Contiki operating system in our system. Contiki operating system in our systems. So just we simulate on a simple example, then we understand. So just go to file, new simulations. So create new simulations. So we have a different, already in my channel itself, TechnoSilent channel itself, we have a simulation of Contiki operating system. I given video. So if you want, you can try all those videos. Then create. So these are network window, simulation control window, nodes window, mode output. Then this is a timeline. Okay. So you need to run one simple simulation. Just go to mode, add mode, then select sky mode. So just to select some examples. Hello world, it is a simple example. So just go to hello world. So this is a hello world.cc. See. So then compile. So now you have to create some 10 sensor nodes. So just mode type. What are the things you need? You have to add it. Positions, address, then LED, then attributes. So then start simulations. So this is our simulation. Now the simulation is running successfully. This is our mode output. So in that mode output, so each and every node, it started a rhyme stack, then it's operating in Contiki MAC protocol. It shares information hello world. Okay. So this is a basic installation and verification by using your operating systems. Okay. Thank you. I think you are getting some idea about your installing Contiki operating system in Ubuntu. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Then kindly subscribe my YouTube channel TechnoSilent. And for more information, you have to visit researchhelp.net. Okay. Thank you.